The Ambassadors program allows us to put our best foot forward, to have people out there to answer questions, to direct people, and create just a warm, welcoming, and friendly environment for downtown Schenectady.
We've put together a training that we believe can educate people in a way that will allow them to empower themselves to go out and make a change in their own lives through getting a job in the hospitality industry.
That led into, let's put together curriculum and let's help the ambassadors, since they are serving as the city's concierge, if you will. We created something that would be a 4-module in 4 weeks, and we basically started with Hospitality 101.
We teach people how important it is to make that first impression, to make a really good first impression, because the guy at the parking lot, that's the first person you see when you come into our city. And by the time we get to the end of the program, their presentation of themselves is really phenomenal.
Next steps after that are to re-enter the workforce and get completely back on my feet. And I will be able to take a lot of the lessons from the hospitality program into that.
The hospitality training has been key for us. For our men and women, you have business owners, CEOs, investors saying we need men and women from the Ambassador program to be the first people that our customers see. Then others came to us a few months later and said, we'll actually pay you to do this.
Paying the homeless to represent your business. And it just, people have marveled that, wait a minute, you took the very problem, you took the point of tension, and you've turned it, you've converted it, transformed it into an asset. We all win if people who have been disenfranchised become stakeholders and become contributors to economic development and community revitalization.
Once they've gone through this training, I really think they're ready to get out there and become part of it and become part of the solution.
This hospitality training creates valuable employees, creates employees who believe in their future story, creates employees who understand that they're a part of something bigger.
The fact that people want to be put back to work and they want jobs and they want a life that is meaningful and has purpose, those are the folks that I want to hire.
This is really a renaissance, a beginning, a renewal for them as individuals.
I feel good, learning and being a taxpayer and being a productive member of society.
That's why we're proud to have them and see it as a key component to the continued growth of this community. And we want it to be viewed as a model where other neighborhoods or other communities could look at it and see how they might be able to apply it in their own community.
If we can help communities like Schenectady build and create jobs for those that are less fortunate, that would solve so many economic problems that we have in the United States right now. The hospitality training for meeting industry experts is customizable. We can take this program across the country and change lives.
When we empower one person to succeed, we are allowing the entire community as a whole to succeed.